Hello everyone, myself Atharu Mathire, and today me and my group are going to present the topic isolators, types of isolators, and HRC fuse. Isolators, as the name suggests, it isolates a particular section of the system from the rest of the system. It should be noted that the isolator is always operated in off-load condition. That is, it should be never operated while the circuit is live or on. So now moving on to the types of isolators. Types of isolator as per operation of contact breaking are: first is vertical break type isolator, second horizontal break type isolator, and the third one is pantograph type isolator. The first type of isolator is vertical break type isolator. From the constructional diagram it can be seen that the contact arm is divided into two parts. The male contact, which is also known as moving contact, and the second one is female contact, which is also known as fixed contact. The fixed and moving contacts are supported on vertical insulators as shown in the figure above. The moving contact moves in a vertical plane as shown by the dotted image. The moving contact is in the form of rectangular blade. It should be noted that the earthing switch, isolators and circuit breakers are interlocked with each other to ensure safety of equipment as well as the operating staff. The isolator may be operated manually or with the help of electrical or pneumatic mechanism.
Second type of isolator is horizontal break type isolator. Fixed female contacts of metal are supported on the stack of insulators. Male contact rod is connected to the central insulating support, which can be moved to have a horizontal movement of the male contact for opening or closing into the female contacts. The movement of the rod and its support may be done manually, electrically, or pneumatically by operators. The operating mechanism disengage or engage the rod in the female contacts for closing or opening operation of isolators. The male contact movement is horizontal and hence its type of isolator is named as horizontal break isolator. The assembly is supported on the galvanized steel channel or steel frame. The moving male contact can be moved through 90 degrees.
Pantograph type isolator. Pantograph type isolator is for 245 kilovolts, 1200 amperes and occupy less space, easy for operation. The supporting insulator is mounted on the concrete foundation pad. To this foundation, the operating mechanism is also fitted. A solid rotary insulator is moved for isolator operation. The movement of the pantograph for make break of blade is shown by dots and dotted lines. On close position, the two arms of the pantograph close on the overhead station bus bar, giving a grip. The current is carried by the upper bus bar to the lower bus bar through the conducting arm of the pentagram. On the opening position, the pantograph arms collapse in the vertical plane and the vertical isolation is obtained between the line terminal and the pantograph upper terminal.
The last topic of this presentation is HRC fuse. Before knowing about the HRC fuse, we have to know about the fuse. What is the fuse? The fuse is a simple device which breaks the circuit under abnormal condition. There are many types of fuse available in market, but we will study the HRC fuse in this video. The full form of the HRC fuse is high rupturing capacity fuse. The diagram of the HRC fuse is as shown below. The construction of the HRC fuse is quite simple and small. It consists of heat resisting ceramic body. The fuse elements are fitted inside this body. The ends of the fuse element are connected to the metal end caps. The metal end caps are screwed to the ceramic body. End contacts are welded to the metal end caps. These end contacts can be bolted on the panel. The fuse body is filled with powdered pure quartz. The fuse element of silver or copper with special shape. The filling material acts as a arc quenching and cooling medium when fuse element blows off due to excessive heat generation under abnormal condition. Main advantage of the HRC fuse is easy to install and have high breaking capacity, but the disadvantage is also that these fuses can't reuse. The operation of the HRC fuse is as like a normal fuse, but the arc quenching medium of the HRC fuse makes it different and special. In the normal condition, the HRC fuse works as a normal fuse, but in abnormal condition, when current increases above the permissible limits, the heat is generated and temperature rises. The tin bridge between the contacts melts and the break is produced in the circuit. Due to melting of the fuse element, the arc is produced. This arc is immediately spread over the neighboring elements and they are also melted. The vapor of the metal reacts chemically with the quartz powder and produces an insulating substance which helps in quenching of the arc.